Guys, good morning. Today, we release another sequence content. So, the sequence, for instance, your opponent in playing with you or struck with you. So, all you have to do is you have to clever and possible. So, again, the same thing. Here, for instance, they struck it here. So, you are going to move cross elbow. So, cover and cross elbow. Cover, cross elbow. So, for instance, this struck like that, cover, cross elbow. So, we struck it here, cover, cross elbow. So, the sequence with the combination of judo like this. For instance, this struck, cover, cross elbow, then chase him, apply, also to carry to the ground, release lower elbow, twist the arm, to finish him. Execution like this. Leg stand over back. So that's all guys to finish your opponent to the ground. So this is nationwide, combat karate session, leg stand over back.